Welcome to Gorilla's Friday Challenge Week 25 of Gorilla Test Papers. This weekly series is designed to help you master all key topics in the SEAG specification. This week we will look at the topic of 2D shapes. This is the first question of the week. The question asks, how many sides does a square have? Pause the video now to try the question yourself. Alright, let's get into it. The learning point for this question is that a side of a 2D shape is a line or edge that forms part of the shape's boundary. So first, what do we know about a square? We know that it's a type of quadrilateral, which means it has 4 sides, and all 4 sides are equal in length. It also has 4 vertices, which we can call corners, and 4 right angles. So how many sides does a square have? Let's count the sides together. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's right, 4 sides. This is the answer for this question. This is the second question of the week. The question asks, how many vertices does a regular pentagon have? Pause the video now to try the question yourself. Alright, let's get into it. The learning point for this question is that vertices are the points or corners where 2 sides of a shape meet. So first, what do we know about a pentagon? We know that it has 5 sides, and since each side connects to another at a point, it also has 5 vertices. So how many vertices does a pentagon have? Let's count the vertices together. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's right, there's 5 vertices. This is the answer for this question. This is the next question of the week. The question asks, is a circle a polygon? Pause the video now to try the question yourself. Alright, let's get into it. The learning point for this question is that a polygon is a 2D shape made up of straight sides that are fully closed. So what must a polygon have? It needs to have straight sides, and it also can't have any gaps or openings, as it has to be a closed shape. Now let's think about a circle. Does a circle have any straight sides? No, this is because a circle has one continuous curved edge and no straight sides. So therefore, is a circle a polygon? The answer is no. A circle isn't a polygon because polygons can only have straight sides. This is the answer for this question. This is the fourth question of the week. The question asks, what is the name of this shape? Pause the video now to try the question yourself. Alright, let's get into it. The learning point for this question is that a parallelogram is a 4-sided shape where opposite sides are equal in length and parallel. The angles are not all necessarily right angles. So first, what do we know about this shape? We know the shape has 4 sides, so it's a type of quadrilateral. And we also know that its opposite sides are equal and parallel. And since the sides are slanted, it's not a rectangle or a square. So which shape has these properties? This matches the definition of a parallelogram. So therefore, the answer to this question is a parallelogram. This is the last question of the week. Although SEAG past papers aren't officially released, this question is said to be from a past paper, which makes it great practice with real exam material. So the question asks, how many equal angles does an equilateral triangle have? Pause the video now to try the question yourself. Alright, let's get into it. The learning point for this question is that an equilateral triangle is a triangle where all 3 sides are the same length, and because of this, all 3 of its angles are also equal. So first, what do we know about an equilateral triangle? It has 3 equal sides, and it also has 3 equal angles. So how many equal angles does an equilateral triangle have? That's right, it has 3 equal angles. This is the answer for this question. Congratulations, you have now completed this week of Gorilla's Friday Challenge by Gorilla Test Papers. If you're looking for more SEAG materials, head over to our site at www.gorillatestpapers.co.uk for all the resources you need. Don't forget to like this video and let us know how you did in the comments. We'd love to hear your score and any thoughts you have about the series. See you next week for another session of Gorilla's Friday Challenge.